Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. First of all, let me say this, y'all know what I'm gonna tell y'all. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Like the video. Now, today's topic will be something I get questioned on how did I begin starting YouTube. How do I keep going with YouTube? So I made this video for my people that's trying to start their YouTube channel and don't know where to begin. And I will say this is a how to become a YouTuber beginner level, because I still say that my channel's not big as others, but I have a decent channel. Let's put it this way. And I'm still working on growing, so I need y'all to subscribe. So I'm just gonna give you guys some tips, on how to become a YouTuber. So get your pen and paper out, you guys. Take notes. And the main thing, YouTuber, the main thing you guys gotta understand is you just have to start, man. You just have to start. Okay, so how to become a YouTuber. Boom. That's how we're gonna do it now. So the main thing that people will say is, I don't know what I should talk about or what type of content that I should put out there. What do you like? What is your interest? What do you like doing? What do you like talking about? That's your content. For me, prime example, I do different type of things on my channel. Of course, we know I do the fitness. We know I tear it up in the gym. I go crazy in there. That's what I love to do. But outside of that, I like to educate. Talk about things that I can help people doing. Like if you're trying to become something, just like this video, becoming a YouTuber. So the first thing is, let's see. Come on, we're gonna put this down today. We're gonna put this thing down together. Find what you like. Boom. All right. Excuse my handwriting. Find what you like. All right. So once you find what you like, the main thing is a lot of people are like, man, I'm gonna start me a YouTube channel. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. Man, you look up, it'd be a year, 2 years gone by, they still haven't started. What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? So a lot of people say, oh, well, I'm shy, I can't be in front of the camera. If you're gonna be a YouTuber, you gotta have thick skin, you know what I mean? So just start, you know what I mean? And you guys say you don't like being behind camera or photos, you do Facebook, Instagram, it's the same thing. Because you're putting up videos, you're putting up pictures, it's the same thing, just a different platform. So at the end of the day, you have to what? Just start. All right? Just start. Now remember, this is for beginners. This is the beginning stage of a YouTuber. So that's don't get this mistaken. So once you just start, another thing is, don't worry about trying to get $high-dollar equipment, $high-dollar camera, computer. Listen, I'm gonna show y'all. This right here works just as well, I promise you. That's all you need. If you got an iPhone, that'll work. You know what I mean? Any good quality iPhone now. Let me say that, because you want your lighting. That's why I got my little blinds open up there. You want good lighting, good audio, and as long as you take good pictures and videos, hey, start with that. So you can just start with a cell phone. We'll put that on there. Just start with cell phone. Start with my handwriting to get better. Cell phone. Cell phone cameras is dope right now. Y'all don't even know. A lot of people don't know that people be shooting the movies with these cameras on these iPhones. Okay, so we got find what you like. Just start with a cell phone. Huh? Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So now, once you start your cell phone, number one thing is this too. Y'all have to remember, consistency. Consistency is everything. And I said it because you don't want to just start and then just stop. So I would say this, at least at the minimum, if you're doing this part-time or just trying to, see how it go for you, at least, listen to me, y'all, do one video a week. One video. So we're gonna put that down. One video a week. And I said it because you're trying to build your audience, you're trying to build your crowd. One video a week. And that's why I say, if you be consistent, if you're consistent with doing one video a week, now the people that you're tuning into you, they're gonna be looking for you. Whatever that might be, whatever video you're putting out there, they're gonna be expecting that. every week. So now you're building your audience in a crowd, and which that turns into your subscribers. Now, subscribers, I would say for me, I started with 20-some subscribers. As of now, I'm at close to 5K subscribers, which that's still small to me. It's still small. So you just have to understand that it's a process and it's a journey. Don't get discouraged. Do not quit. Do not give up. Trust me, I've been there. When you only get 3 views or 4 views on your video, hey man, you got to keep going. Like anything else, keep going. So we're gonna put that one down too. I'm writing down everything I think there's tips for you guys to take to start your YouTube channel. Don't give up. That's my favorite one, I ain't gonna lie to you. Don't give up, because I don't give up on shit in my life. Don't give up. That's important. They go far. This is with YouTube and everything else in your life. Don't give up. You know what I mean? So listen, y'all, do not get discouraged. Don't get discouraged. The only thing you have to do is just start putting videos out. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, it took me a little bit to kind of get rolling. I started YouTube. I put a couple workout videos up with my buddies, and I just stopped doing it. Then I come back to it. So then one time I sat down to myself, I said, Reggie, you need to take this a little bit more serious, because people start to subscribe to your channel. They liking the content you're putting out there. So I'm like, okay, cool. So then I start put my videos out, showing my journey. If you just a new subscriber to my channel, go back and my previous videos and just scan through, just check your boy out a little bit. You'll get a little bit of idea of who I am and what I do, and like the steps that I've been taking with my channel to where I'm at today. Because I wasn't where I was at today when I started my channel, and I'm gonna be bigger. I'm gonna keep on going with this thing. So now I had a vision in my head, said, Reggie, you need to stop bullshit. I had a reality check with myself. And that's why I'm on here telling you guys, just start, don't get discouraged, because I use the same advice. This is for me too. I'm no better than anyone else. I started just like you guys, fence start from scratch, 0, didn't have nothing. You know what I mean? All I had to do was just continue to put videos up just like you. So that's why I'm telling y'all that. And I'm still in my beginning stage, I feel like. So we in this thing together. So when you start your new YouTube channel, man, shout your boy out to Muscle Squad, man. Tag me in the video, whatever, however. Tag the Muscle Squad, hashtag the Muscle Squad, whichever way. And I'm gonna show you some love as well, man. But the main thing I want you to do is start your channel. Stop waiting. Stop telling yourself, oh, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. But then, you know, looked about 20 videos and still ain't did yours. I give you a better one. It's just kind of like the same thing as a lot of people start. We going into New Year's, right? What everybody do when New Year's come around? I'm going ahead and start working out. I'm gonna get my body right. I'm finna change. I'm finna do this. I'm finna do that. How long does that last? If they even do it. So don't be that person. Put your pride to the side. Put your fear to the side. Just get on here and be yourself. That's all you gotta do. Talk to, and also another one. Hold on, let me put this down. Communicate with your audience. Communicate with your audience, which is your subscribers. When people comment your videos, interact with them. They might ask you something. Once again, you have to have tough skin, because everybody ain't nice on there. I'm telling you, they say some fucked up shit, and they try to get up under your skin. Some people even create channels that ain't even real just to say shit to you, man. So at the end of the day, watch my time. I don't want to keep y'all too long. At the end of the day, don't worry about that shit. You can block them if you want, and just keep on, man, because this is what's going to make your channel. Interacting with your audience, getting subscribers. The main thing, the important thing is you have to get views. The more videos, the more the views you get, the more your video is going to trend. You know what I mean? You also have to know where to put your video, like in what lane. Like if you're doing I'm just gonna give you an example. If you're doing a car video, say for instance you're talking about cars, don't put your car video into a plant traffic, how to grow plants. That don't make sense. You wanna have it to line up to where it go into the same thing you're talking about. Now this is my advice that I'm giving y'all, my tips, and keep in mind, like I said, it's for beginners. And I say this because, like I'm telling y'all, when it comes to YouTube, it's a lot of stuff that we don't know behind closed doors. Like people fuck with you, man. But listen, I'm here to tell you, don't worry about that. Just start. And excuse my language, but at the end of the day, I'm giving it to y'all raw, man. I want y'all to start your channel, man. This is 2020, you guys. I think you guys should really start before next year. Don't push the shit off to next year, please don't, because we good for that. Well, it's already, I'm gonna just do it next year now, because you keep on doing that, it's gonna keep on trending over to when next year be here before you know it, because it's flying. New Year's be here before we know it, and then you'll have another excuse, so it'll be 2 more months roll by. We gotta stop that, man. Let's do it now. Trust me, roll that first video out. Just throw it out there. Then the more you do it, the more you're gonna get comfortable with being behind the camera. And a lot of people say, well, Reggie, it's easy for you because you come out like a natural. I'm not natural. Hell, I stumble up on my words sometimes. Sometimes I don't pronounce things right, but excuse me, at the end of the day, I'm me. I am who I am. I'm not perfect. I just put the video out. Whoever like it, whoever don't, it is what it is. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna get my view. I'm gonna get my subscriber. So I'm telling y'all this, man. Start your video, stop wasting time. Stop wasting time. And another point that I would do is, let me put this down. Put it down. I would do, now this is at the beginning that I would do if I was to go back and start my channel. Do, let's say, 2 to 3 videos at a time. And I said it because sometimes you might not have a lot of time to sit down and do your videos. So if you sit down and do, if you got a day to yourself to where you just not doing too much and your schedule free, sit down and do 2 at the max, 3 videos. That way, all you have to do is edit them. You already got them ready to go. So all you gotta do is push them out. You put 1 video up, boom, okay. Like I said, 1 video a week. So we already got that 1 video up rolling. We got 2 in the hole. So now you gotta do, next week, you already, boom, roll that next video out. That's 2, you already did 3. So if you don't put 2 out, you still got 1 in the hole. Listen to me, y'all, 1 in the hole. So now before you release that 1, do the same thing. Do 2 or 3 more videos. This is the way you stay ahead, because I'm telling you, when you get going this YouTube stuff, it's like a job. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie. It is a job. So you need to have you need to set up like a job. Put some time to the side that you can do your videos and edit them and get them out there. Let's get it rolling, baby. Y'all thank me later. The way I want y'all to thank me is share the video, like it, comment. Hey, comment, I'm gonna comment back with you. I'm gonna give you whatever you need to know to get going on your channel, because I'm here for y'all. Just like the video and share. Also, take the notes, man. Take the notes. If you need to come back to the video, do what you need to do. Like I said, number 1, we're gonna find what you like. Find what you want to start your channel about. 2, just start. Just start, man. Stop overthinking. Don't overthink. Don't get whammed. Don't let your brain, because I do that a lot with a lot of different things. So don't, just do it, man. Like Nike, just do it. Just do it, y'all. On your equipment. Hey, man, you ain't got to spend no money. We know how it is, right? You ain't got to spend no money. Start that cell phone. You do everything else with Facebook and Instagram. The same phone you're using with them, is what you're going to start your channel with. 1 video a week. 1 video a week, y'all. Y'all can do it. My favorite one. Don't give up on nothing you're doing in this world. Yourself and nothing you're doing. You can do it. It's the main one I like. Comment with your audience. Hey, get some feedback. How y'all like my video? Did I do good? What do you think? You're going to have some negative ones. Don't worry about them. Don't worry about them. Just like this and keep going. Speak with the ones who want your channel to do great. All right? Do 2 to 3 videos on your down and free time. Okay, you guys. Hey, this is what I want y'all to know. And I got to roll because I got stuff I got to do. Excuse my handwriting, y'all, but listen. Let's be great. Let's start this channel. Let's get it going. Hey, it's a new year. Let's do some new things, man. It's a new year starting now. We ain't waiting next year. Let's do it. Let's do it. Like I said, man, I appreciate you guys for stopping in my channel. Hey, give me some feedback on this video. Tell me what y'all think. You know what I mean? If you got some questions, I feel free. I'll answer them. I try to get back to everybody. If there's some videos you want to request, I will deliver that as well, if it makes sense. So I think the next video I would go into about monetize. How do you get paid as a YouTuber? I think that'll be the next video I'll put out for you guys. Now tell me what y'all think. But in the meantime, in between time, get your notes down, start your channel. Bam, get with y'all.